Kingfisher all-purpose. Let's try another
Landing flaps.
full flap. Bring it in here, right through there.
Braking.
Push back a little bit. Alright, let's do that again. That's kind of fun.
Well below freezing. Having a great time with the Kingfisher. I've flown this thing a lot and done a lot of 3-points and beat it up. Well, guess the cold and continued abuse
Do it again.
caught up with me.
Part of the runway. Enough that we can have some fun and do this kind of flying. Bush flying. Oof. That was not a good 3-pointer. More enjoyable to fly with that rigger. I love it. Ah!
Well, as you saw, this piece just pulled right out. Not a lot of glue on there, but again, I was in sub-freezing weather and kind of beating it up a little bit. So fits right on. It didn't damage anything. So all I got to do is smear a liberal amount of E6000, which I really like for plastic foam solutions. I don't like going crazy with this glue because it will soften. I don't want to say eat, but it'll soften the foam a little. So I just want to put a liberal amount, but spread it out. Definitely a fan of putting on a thin coat. The thinner the coat, I think, the better. Nice and even, or at least as good as I can do. Just a little dab here. All right, I'm happy with that. We'll just put it on one side. And this slides in only one way, so slide it in, press it in place, and that's it. Pretty simple to glue up. There's not a whole lot to it. Let that sit. It'll 100% cure in 24 hours, but probably going to fly this tomorrow morning, so it'll be fine by then. Hey, if you like these tips, leave me a comment. I appreciate it, and hit that like button. Also, I put out these videos all the time. I know a lot of people look at them, but they don't subscribe. Subscribing is kind of a big deal with the whole, algorithms and whatnot. So if you feel compelled to hit that subscribe button, I'd sincerely appreciate it. Thanks.